look, right over here, like obviously there's anime everywhere, but there's literally a Sega building in the background. How can you ignore this stuff? Look at, I don't even know what that is. The doors, everything. This is crazy. Instead of going to Tokyo, my GoPro's already at 50%. Shoo, I might just wander around here. I'm not sure. I guess you'll find out pretty soon. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna wander around here for a bit. Even though I've seen little to no anime whatsoever, this place is absolutely full of it. And I can just see all the gaming and anime references literally plastered everywhere. Everywhere. And I don't know what I'm gonna do here, but just looking at it's cool. So I guess I'm just gonna look at it for now. But just look at this. Look at this. This is crazy. Look, hey, it's a tax-free shop. And we'll check it out, why not? Oh my god. Why is there just like knives? I guess when they said shop, they really meant shop. Look, that's 20 bucks. Jesus. Wait, did I read that right? Oh, no, it's $2. My bad. Yo, just checking out this place alone is dope. I don't know if my GoPro's gonna have enough room.
Okay.
Good morning. Oh, should I shut it off?
Sorry?
Should I shut this off? It is recording.
Oh, yeah, I think it's better. Yeah.
Okay. So, I actually still haven't used the restroom from this morning. And I really have to pee. I just got off the phone with the guy who was supposed to come with me, but you know how things go. It looks like my GoPro is getting lower and lower by the minute. So I probably won't have too much footage from today, but I'll try to get as much as I can. But just look at, oh my God, why can't GoPros have infinity battery life? Because this, but yeah, let me save this battery. Guys, I found it. It's McDonald's. You know your boy's gotta go to McDonald's. All right, listen. When I was over there, I thought this was just a tiny little corner shop. Let me tell you, I shit you not, this McDonald's has 3 stories. 3 stories. I'll show. Okay, so let's go downstairs and then pretend like I can't find a spot, and then we'll go upstairs. See, already big. My legs hurt. Oh, that's right. Actually worked out. Oh, how's your boy looking now? I'm about to go back to the hostel, and I actually haven't even used a lot of the services that they offer. My GoPro is at 5% right